Hello everybody, welcome back to Donald 9 Douglas 10, and today I'll be making another Thomas & Friends tutorial. Now today's tutorial is going to be on Winston, aka the red engine. So Winston, well, in the Railway series there's this red engine, and he's simply referred to in the Railway series as the red engine. But Thomas fanfictions and YouTubers have been calling him Winston. So that's what I'll do too. And today, I'm here to build him in Minecraft. So let's get started. So first we're going to go down to the tracks, take red wool, place it 3 blocks above the tracks, then add pistons on the side, add red wool along the side of that, and add a lever in the middle, pull it down for the buffers. Then we want to add 3 nether brick fences like that, and add acacia wood slabs underneath. Then we want to make the side 20 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 13, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then we want to actually line up the other side. So just do that. Line it up. And then we want to skip a block and make this part 12 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Line up the other side. Then we want to add pistons on the inside, add a red wool like that, and add a lever in the middle, pull it down. And then on the sides, we want to add upside down acacia wood stairs like this, with acacia wood slabs underneath for ladders or steps. And then just add acacia wood slab in the middle like that. And we can also add another brick fence above that piston. So now basically we want to take gray wool and fill in the floor. So just fill in the floor. Yeah, even though Winston is the same class of engine as James, I had to modify him to make it look more, Winston-y. So to say. Okay, so now we're going to take another brick slab and add it in the middle, connecting the two like that. And then we can also add 2 upside down acacia wood stairs like that, and add acacia wood slabs underneath it for more ladders. Do it on the other side. And we might as well work on the bottom, so let me just grab some materials. What else do we need? Okay, so now we're going to take stone brick slab, add it 1 block like that, and then add gray wool all the way along the bottom till we get to here and then just stop it. And then we want to go to the tender part and add gray wool all the way to the back as well. So then we want to go back to the front, take acacia wood stairs, and make a circle shape with them like that for the front trailing wheel. Or pilot wheel, I mean. Then we want to add it on the other side as well. And then we want to skip a block and add a T-shape with the red wool. Then skip 2 blocks, add a T-shape. Skip 2 blocks, add a T-shape. And then we want to take acacia wood stairs, add them upside down in the corners to make it more circular. And then we want to take stone brick slab and connect the wheels. And then there's actually rod that goes in front of the second driving wheel. So let's add that. So right in front of the second driving wheel, we want to destroy that, well, take away that stone brick slab and add red wool like that, and then add an acacia wood slab underneath like that. And then we want to add all that stuff on the other side. So just add the T-shapes. Add the acacia wood stairs. Add the rod. And then add the stone brick slabs. And replace that anvil. Like that. And now we want to work on the tender. So we want to take acacia wood stairs and add circle shapes on the end. On the ends, like that. Then we want to skip 2 blocks from one of them, well, both of them, and add another circle shape in the middle. Then we want to take nether brick stairs, add them upside down like that on one side of the wheel, and then make it go the opposite way on the other side. Then we want to add nether brick slab from the second half of the first wheel to the first half of the last wheel, and then connect the tops with nether brick slabs as well, so that we get kind of that design. And then we want to do it on the other side as well. So just add the wheels, then add the nether brick stair design thingamabobber. Okay, so now let's work more on the front. So let me just grab some wheels. So then we want to take acacia wood stairs, add 2 of them right behind the pistons like that. Then add 3 black wool. Then we want to add 4 black wool behind it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And then we want to fill in the last 2 like that. Then we want to take nether brick stairs, add them right side up like that. Fill the middle in with black wool, and then add a plus shape on top. And then basically add nether brick stairs in the corners. And then we want to extend the plus forward by 1. And then we want to add 2 black wool on top of that for the funnel. Then we want to take red carpet and add 2 of them on either side like that to make it more red. And then we want to take block of quartz and add a plus shape in the front of the black for the face. And add quartz stairs in the corners. Now let's go to the back and start working on the cab. The cab. Yeah, so then we want to take red wool, add it 4 blocks along the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and make it 3 blocks tall. Add a wall on the front and do the exact same thing on the other side. Then we want to add a 2 block long, 1 block wide, and 3 block tall segment of red wool right in the front like this. On both sides. Then we want to take acacia wood stairs, add it on the bottom like that, and add it upside down on the top like that. And then add 3 blocks tall of red wool in the middle, and 2 blocks tall of red wool on the side. Then we want to add acacia wood slabs in the holes like that, for the windows. Then we want to add acacia wood slabs 5 blocks wide across the top, and extend it back by 3, so that it overhangs the cab. Yeah, it's supposed to be red, but acacia is like the closest we can get. And now let's start working on the wheel covers. So we want to take acacia wood stairs, add 1 of them on each side like that in front. Then we want to skip 2 blocks, add an acacia wood stair going the opposite way, add a red wool, and then add another acacia wood stair going the opposite way, like that, so that it's kind of a wheel cover over the second wheel. Then skip 2 blocks again, do the same thing. like this. And then we want to take red wool, destroy those 2 blocks, and replace them with red wool. Then destroy these 2 blocks and replace them with right side up acacia wood stairs. Replace these 2 blocks with acacia wood stairs. These 2 blocks with acacia wood stairs going the other way. Replace these 2 with red wool. And then replace these 2 with acacia wood stairs like that. Yeah, they're supposed to be actually... No, we don't need to worry about that. Let's keep it anyways. So those are going to be the tops of the wheels. And then we want to... Let's start working on the boiler. So we want to take red wool and extend this black wool segment all the way back to the cab. Make the entire thing a plus sign. And actually make the last 2 blocks an entire box that extends down to the bottom of the boiler. And then we want to add acacia wood stairs on the sides to make it more circular. You guys already know the routine. Don't worry guys, that's just my cat being a yappy son of a gun. We'll worry about her later. So now we want to take block of gold, skip the block, and place one like that for the dome. Then we want to go back to the cab, skip that block, and place a red wool like that, with an oak wood slab on top, and an oak fence like that for the whistle. Like that. Then we want to take iron bars, add it on the sides for a handrail that goes across Winston's boiler. And 1 second, guys. After I just do this, I just need to go let my cat in. Okay, now that my cat shooed away, now we're gonna take stone brick slab and add this little reversing rug that's on one side of Winston. So we want to go to the back, skip, add 3 slabs right here. Then go diagonally down and add 3 again. And then go diagonally down again and basically connect it to the bottom like that in front of the middle wheel cover. And it's only on one side of Winston. Okay, now what should we do? Let's work on the tender. So let's just get some materials. Then we can take red wool and skip the block in the back and add a 3 block tall wall all the way around the tender. All the way to the front, and then do it on the other side. So then we want to make an L shape on all 4 corners, leaving a block of space from the edge. And then connect the 2 sides. Then we want to take black wool and add a wall right here for the coal. Go to the back, and then we want to add 3 blocks wide like that. Go diagonally up and add a 2x3 like that. And then we can actually extend this wall all the way down to the bottom. Now we want to take block of coal and basically fill the entire thing in. Now for mine, as you can probably see, I actually added some detail to it. So we want to go to the front and add block of coal all the way down the middle, apart from the back. Then we want to add a block of coal right there. Add 2 right there. And then add another one right there, so that we have more natural look. Now we want to take another brick fence and add a border all the way around the coal. And now we want to add some more handrails on the side of Winston. So we're going to take iron bars, add 3 alongside the tender, alongside the cabin tender, like that. Do it on both sides. And then go to the back and add 2 right there. Do it on both sides. Okay, so have we missed anything of Winston? Now we are going to take black carpet and add it on all the exposed parts. And yes, even on the inside as well. So we're gonna try and get inside of Winston, like underneath the boiler. And then we want to add black carpet everywhere but the tops of the wheels. Oh, give me a moment, guys, while I let my cat in. You gonna come in, Poe? I have a video. Yeah, come on in. Okay, guys, so now we are going to go to the back, add more black carpet there too. Did we miss anything? Did we miss any details on Winston? Not by the looks of it, so let's work on the interior. So let me just grab some materials for that. So now we want to cut out those 2 blocks, those other 2, and then we want to add a glowstone right there, and add an orange stained glass in front of it, and we can replace those 2 red wool like that. Then we want to add an iron trap door in front of it, add a lever on top of it, and pull it down so that the iron trap door is like facing one side. Then we want to take iron bars, add 3 on the side, and add 1, 2, 3, 4 coming down from the middle of the top, like that. Then we want to add a yellow terracotta right there, add a lever on top of it, pull it down, and then we want to add 2 cobblestone balls under that. Add an anvil in the corner, and add a hopper in the front connected to it. Then we want to go to the tender, cut out those 2 black wool parts, and add 2 blocks of coal behind it, and add 1 on the bottom, like that. And then we want to add an acacia wood door in front of it. Or just an acacia door. Okay, so let's take a look around and see if we've completed Winston. I do not believe we have. Nope, we have not. Well, guys, that's almost about... Actually, no, we are not completed because we have to add some more detailing to the floor of the cab. So, now we want to take black carpet, add it all the way around the acacia door, but destroy the acacia door, and add a black wool underneath it like that, and replace the acacia wood door. Then we want to add black carpet to the front, destroy the floor, and destroy some of the iron bars, and then add black wool underneath that, and replace the iron bar. Yeah, so that it looks like it's all one color. Okay, guys, that should be about it on how to build Winston in Minecraft. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!